Let's go ahead and review WebWave. WebWave is a white label website builder that lets you freelancers and agencies build professional custom design website for clients. With WebWave, freelancers and agencies can create totally customized e-commerce, blogging, portfolio, and personal website. Building your website from scratch is easy, especially when there is no cap on what can be customized. If you want some inspiration, feel free to choose from loads of website templates that all feature flexible and responsive design. Because every client is unique, each of their website needs to feel original and on board. That is why WebWave helps you modify and adjust every little detail in your website down to 1 pixel. All you need to do is drag and drop elements like images or menus anywhere on the page, no coding skill necessary. The truth is that a mobile-friendly website is no longer is a nice to have; it is must have. Thanks to WebWave, you can design responsive website from any device and ensure that they are easy to read and navigate. You will be able to set elements in dynamic units so each page automatically adapts any screen size. Want preview? Just toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure everything in tip-top shape. The WebWave user interface works a lot like Photoshop, making it an excellent website building tool for Adobe savvy designers. Every website created in WebWave includes built-in content management system, so your clients can also change the text image on the website. But don't worry about the client accidentally breaking the site. You can decide which elements are editable with CMS and which cannot be edited. Even if you have 100 clients, you can manage all your website projects from a single easy to navigate dashboard. You will be even able to register your domain name, create email accounts, and create SSL certificate all from one place. Get reliable hosting for website with a 90.999 uptime and take comfort knowing that WebWave's admins will handle all the security uptime and updates. In addition to attentive technical support, WebWave also offers web design, marketing, and search engine optimization training. Sometimes it feels like there needs to be a warning level on your client's creative vision for their website. Thankfully, WebWave gives you complete control over every detail of the web design process, so you can make that perfect website in your head in a head reality. Build exactly what you need. Get lifetime access to web today. Thanks for watching this video. Link in the description below. Please check it out.